Hi, I'm Costa Lacomendis. I'm the founder and CEO of Klik Communications, and we're here at InfoComm 2018 in sunny and hot Las Vegas. And it's appropriate that it's hot because it's been very hot here in this booth as we've been showing off our Klikbox line of wireless presentation systems, including our new Connect product. I just want to tell you a little bit about how our system works and what our products do. We are a hybrid wireless presentation system, which means that we use software as an encoder on your device. And that device could be Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, or Chromebook. And you can actually stream wirelessly over your built-in Wi-Fi using the native utility that comes with every one of those operating systems right to our hardware box. We have three hardware pieces. They're called the Klikbox Classic, Plus, and Pro. And for all intents and purposes, all devices are exactly the same. They have the same I/O, VGA and HDMI outputs. We have a LAN connection on an RJ45, analog and digital audio outs. And a feature that's kind of welcomed by a lot of our integrators is that we run on 5 volts. So you can actually connect the power, do away with the power supply and connect the USB cable right to the display and power it right from the display. So you don't need an additional outlet, you don't need additional wiring. As I said, the devices are all the same at their core, but there are some differences. You'll notice here on the front port we have a USB connection, and that USB connection serves 2 purposes. One, it allows you to connect, plug in a USB thumb drive with media, say video, audio, or images, and you can use the built-in media player to play those back. So it's almost like digital signage, but companies use that because you can also pull down media from the network. So they use it for training videos, orientation, etc. Then you can switch into presentation mode and start streaming for your device. The Klikbox Classic has all of the features that we've talked about, whereas the Klikbox Plus adds on an additional wireless handheld remote and external antennas. The Klikbox Pro includes the detachable external antennas. That's great for rack mounting where you need to put the antennas on the outboard. It also includes the remote, but it's also remotely managed. So if you're deploying in a larger installation or in an enterprise where they absolutely insist that everything be managed remotely, then that's a critical feature for that device. Over here we're showing the Klikbox Connect, which is a brand new product for us, and it's kind of the fulfillment of our hardware trilogy, as we call it. First we had the Klikbox, then we had the remote, and now we have a device that's kind of a universal HDMI input. So you can connect a camera, a document camera, a Blu-ray player, or any other HDMI device, even a laptop that's got HDMI output but is locked down in terms of features. No software allowed, maybe it's a Windows 7 device. Well, now you can simply plug it in, push one button, and you're connected to the Klikbox. And this works with any one of our Klikbox models. To show you how users connect, the Klikbox has this unparalleled flexibility. So we have 3 modes of connection. One we call open access, where you can literally use AirPlay or Miracast or whatever's built into your device. The second layer is password access. So if you have adjacent rooms, you can force your users to load our app, and then they have to enter the password that's shown on the screen. And then we have something that's very unique, and we have conference mode. And when I talk about conference mode, I have to show you our handheld remote, which is an industry exclusive. There is no other wireless presentation system currently that offers this kind of user interface. Now, if you think of say an example as a classroom, where the instructor simply highlights on the screen a particular user, presses the OK button, and then you start streaming from that computer. Nothing switches as intuitively or as quickly or as smoothly between users, and yet maintains control in the hands of the educator or the meeting moderator or whatever other conference leader. This is another exclusive feature for Klik Communications, and our mission to bring the product to everyone, to democratize the product, if you will, not only from a cost perspective, but also from a user experience perspective. That's a quick overview of the Klik wireless presentation system. Of course, there's much more to talk about, but you can visit us at our website, klikbox.com, for more information. Thank you.